share with you what we have come up with for ideas on what to do.
Hi, I'm Julie Blanner from the lifestyle website, julieblanner.com, where I share easy ideas for entertaining, home decor, and recipes. But today, we're doing something totally different. First of all, nothing has gone right today. I set up my equipment on the dock and it fell over. I set up my equipment here and my full battery somehow managed to go dead. So please pardon me for the sound and just know that my sentiment is that I am here for you. I decided I wanted to do something a little different because I am feeling so uncertain, and I'm sure you and your families are as well. I thought it would be really nice and refreshing since the sun finally decided to come out today, and thank heavens it did, because it was getting so gloomy and we were indoors for the last 6 days, that I would take you out to see beautiful Table Rock Lake, which is where we're hanging out right now. We decided 6 days ago that we should come down here and kind of retreat as a way to easily socially distance ourselves and just kind of find some peace. We don't have technology down here. The kids don't have any tablets, or we don't have internet, and we don't have TV. So I thought I'd share a little bit about what we've been doing to social distance and what we plan to do, and see how I can be of service to you. I think it's safe to say that this has been quite an adventure, and in fact, really that's what we're trying to turn it into for the kids, trying to make it as fun as possible. So I thought I'd share a few of ideas of what we've been doing to keep busy down here at the lake, because it was cold, like 20 degrees and rainy just days ago. So even though it's sunny and 70 now, it's Missouri, you just never know, we have been holed up. Both on my website and on YouTube, I have an abundance of easy recipes, many of them made with staple ingredients and so many of them made from scratch, as well as items that you can use frozen fruits and veggies for. I've been working diligently to update with additional tips and tricks for using things from your freezer and pantry. So please stop by there. I'll also link to one of my very favorite pantry recipes in the description below, which is aglio e olio. You can find that recipe right here on YouTube. And actually, now it's easier than ever to cook from scratch. So many of my sweetbread recipes and things like that, even my homemade pasta, are made with just a few simple pantry ingredients. And there's no time like the present to come together and spend time together cooking and baking, because hey, I like to bake my feelings. So as I mentioned, I wanted to film this at the lake today, like on the water, because there's so much beauty in the world. It's just up to us to find it. So I thought this would be kind of a bright, sunny spot no matter where you are today, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do.
So to keep busy, we have been making friendship bracelets, finding rocks we can paint them for pet rocks, and we've been doing yoga and a lot more. Downward dog. We made a whole activity list of stuff that we can do to keep busy while we're out of school and we can't really go out. The things we are going to be doing for to keep busy that we haven't done yet is nails, baking, spa time, and
Did you guys say you wanted to do some decorating of what you bake? Maybe have a contest?
yeah. So we also have a bunch of other things like animal research, learning how to draw critters. We are going to be learning because we have weeks off of school. Making these math problems and solving them. And some other things that I forgot is like some at-home hair salon, playing cards, writing to pen pals, and all that sorts of stuff.
In addition to trying to make this so much fun for the kiddos, we're also trying to make this time really productive. A few of the things that we're doing are, of course, decluttering and organizing, which you know are my favorite. And I hope you join us. I will link to the decluttering checklist in the description below. I also invite you to take advantage of this time by joining my organization challenge. I'll link to the series in the description below, but I think there's just really no better time than the present. If you're going to be indoors anyways, it's time to get things done, and I bet it will make you feel a lot more comfortable living within those four walls. So really nothing is going quite as planned today. First of all, I tried to record on the dock, almost lost all my equipment in the lake when the gust of wind came through. Then I tried to film up at the bluff just so you guys could see the lake, and just thought it would be a really pretty setting. I tried to record on my phone, and Isla had to use the restroom quickly, so we hopped in the golf cart and returned back home. Anyways, I think the moral of the story is right now we just need to roll with the punches. What can I do to be there for you? What would you like to see right now? Would you like more easy staple recipes, more decluttering and cleaning? What are you looking for? Also taking this time to try to do good. We are not only walking the shoreline, but we're picking it up. We're walking along the streets and picking up any trash that is collected throughout the winter. Anything that you think of that we can do from home to help others, I'm all ears. I know we'll be writing to some of the elderly people we know. I thought they might enjoy receiving cards in the mail, but I know there's just so much more we can do right here from home. Thank you as always for tuning in, and I look forward to hearing from you.